In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GoToMeeting. First, let's open up your favorite internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer using. Once you've got that open, go ahead and head to your search engine, which is typically Google for many users. In the search bar, type in GoToMeeting and hit Enter. Just take a moment to see all the results pouring in, and what we're specifically looking for is the Download Center. Now scan through the search results and you'll find a link that mentions downloading GoToMeeting. This is typically the Download Center provided by GoToMeeting itself. Click on that link and it will direct you to the official GoTo website. This is where GoToMeeting hosts their various software downloads, making it a reliable source for getting the app directly. Once you're on the page, you should see an option labeled Download, which usually stands out quite well. Click on the Download button and you'll be redirected to their support page. Here's an extra tip. Bookmark this page in your browser. That way, if you need to revisit the same link in the future, you'll save yourself a bit of time finding it again. On the support page, look for the option Download GoTo for Windows. Make sure you're downloading the correct version suited for your operating system. When you find this download link, give it a good click, and the download should begin automatically. Your browser might prompt you about where you want to save the file, or it might save it directly to your default download folder on your computer. It usually takes a few moments to complete, depending on your internet speed. Once the download completes, you can locate the file wherever it was saved. More often than not, this will be in your Downloads folder. Now install the application by double-clicking on the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen installation instructions, which generally involve choosing the installation folder and maybe some terms and conditions to agree on. After installation is finished, you should find the GoToMeeting application on your desktop or in your Start menu. That's the whole process, nice and easy. Whenever you need to join or schedule meetings, your GoToMeeting app is now ready and waiting for you. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Getting GoToMeeting set up is a simple process once you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Thank you for watching, and happy meeting hosting with GoToMeeting.